how to fix eSIM card missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So if you want to fix eSIM card missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and find the screen time option. Once you find the screen time, you need to scroll down again and then go with content and privacy restrictions. Just go ahead and disable the option of content and privacy restrictions. Sometimes this can actually make the problems by disabling it, and after that you can just go ahead and restart your iPhone and your problem might be fixed. You can go and take a look and your eSIM card option might be working. But if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is again open up your settings on your iPhone, then just scroll down and then go with the general section. Now just tap on the software update. So if you are having any issues, then make sure that you are updating your software, because if you've not updated your software, then you might find this kind of problems. So go and update your software. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if these tricks doesn't work, then you can go with the control center and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and this might fix your problem. Or just simply go back, and once you're on your general, you need to just go all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then you need to go with reset and reset all settings. Once you reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.